So let's talk iPhone 17, because honestly, Apple might have just cooked up its boldest lineup in years. And some of these leaks are making my jaw drop. First off, the Pro Max. This thing looks like it rolled straight out of a designer showroom. That new Hermes orange paired with deep dark blue? Absolute fire. But the real showstopper is on the back. Apple ditched the classic square bump and went all in with this big rectangular camera bar. And inside that, triple 48 megapixel lenses, 8K video, and an 8x zoom that basically turns your phone into a telescope. Like, you'll finally be able to zoom in on the stage at a concert without ending up with pixelated blobs. Performance-wise, Apple's not holding back. The A19 Pro chip is in here, paired with a massive 5,000 mAh battery. And for the first time ever, reverse wireless charging. So if your AirPods or Apple Watch are dying, just stick them on the back of your phone and boom, instant top-up. Now let's jump to the iPhone 17 Air, because this one is straight up wild. It's just 5.5 millimeters thin. That's slimmer than the iPhone 6, slimmer than the Moto Z. It might actually be the thinnest flagship we've ever seen. And yet, it still rocks a 6.6-inch 120Hz display and a sharp 48 megapixel camera. Battery smaller at 2,800 mAh, but that's the trade-off for being light as a feather. Honestly, it looks like Apple's chasing that super sleek, futuristic vibe here. The regular iPhone 17 is finally catching up too. No more laggy 60Hz screens. This time it's rocking promotion at 120Hz, plus dual cameras, the A19 chip, and a 3,600 mAh battery. Basically, it's no longer the budget option that feels left behind. Oh, and the dynamic island? It's shrinking. Apple's moving to a smaller pill-shaped cutout that only houses Face ID and the selfie cam. And that selfie cam? Upgraded to 24 megapixels, so your TikToks and Insta shots are about to look a whole lot crisper. So, thinner designs, monster cameras, brighter displays, and some crazy new colors. Honestly, it feels like Apple finally said, let's just go for it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.